Get paid in 1 hour using AI tools. And just like that, the payment is confirmed. AI tools make it fast and simple.
Fast Money Marion here.
Businesses are paying people right now for simple AI videos. You'll create short AI videos for businesses using free tools.
Short videos get attention fast, and businesses need them daily.
Use Grok AI to generate realistic video clips in minutes.
Let's review these projections.
Agreed. The growth metrics look promising.
Let's adjust the timeline.
Then use Clipchamp for voiceovers and editing. You can finish a short video in less than 30 minutes. Find clients on Fiverr, Upwork, and Facebook groups. Offer AI-generated reels for businesses.
Create free sample videos to attract clients. Your first client could contact you within hours.
Ask clients what style and niche they want.
Hi, I'm interested in your services. Great. What style and niche are you looking for?
Modern and clean design. I'll prepare some options. For real estate clients, create luxury house videos. For fitness brands, make energetic motivational clips. Send the finished video directly to the client. All done, sent directly to the client. Many freelancers get paid the same day.
One video can turn into repeat clients.
Three clients a day can become serious income. AI can automate almost everything for you. It connects scripts, voiceovers, and video generation into a seamless workflow. This automation streamlines the entire process, saving time and effort. You can work from anywhere with internet. You don't need experience to start. Short-form content demand is exploding right now. Most people fail because they never start. The faster you start, the faster you learn. Subscribe for more AI money-making methods.
This is Fast Money Marion.
Opportunities online move fast. Take action today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.